Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this really cool 2024 new family board game set. It's a game of luck. You can choose which stickers you want to put onto your tiles, and you win by turning over all of the correct tiles that match on your game board, and we're going to show you that in a minute. It's fun for all ages. So those are the stickers. We chose the bunnies and the bears. I'm going to put those on as well. These are really, really well made. You get 49 mahjong tiles, and each measure 1.4 by 1 by 0.8 inches. And there is a non-slip mahjong mat, so it's easy to carry around, and it just makes it a lot easier to play on. The tiles are all hand colored by laser. They have full and even color, and they are absolutely fantastic. They just have such a great feel in your hand. The stickers are waterproof and they are not going to come off. We put all of the tiles into rows of 4 with the pink side up, and then we just took each tile out and we tried to get all of the pictures in our rows to be the same. You could modify this game for younger children and you could play it with just a basic matching game framework. We had so much fun playing this game. So satisfying to like push those tiles around, and I love that the box that it comes in is perfect for storage, nice and small so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So if you were looking for a fun gift, this would make a great birthday gift, a great gift for the holidays, and for the new year. So if you are looking for something for family game night, this is a super fun one. Definitely check it out. We loved it.